Hello, dear friends. This is Grandma Jeannie. Welcome back to my workshop. I've got boxes to open, and I'm so glad you're here to help me do it. I had temporarily forgotten what's in this box, but I thought about it and I remember what's in here. This is something that I bought about a month ago on Facebook Marketplace, and I am just now getting around to getting it open. Did I mention I've been kind of busy recently? Some of you know some of the reasons why. First, I was able to take a short vacation, so I was gone a week. Also, I do a lot of Girl Scout work, and here where I live, it is cookie season, so I have been busy helping coordinate cookie sales and helping my Girl Scouts out. At last, we're going to get it open. I'm going to get this out and show it to you. I can't wait to share what it is. There you have it. I have 3 room boxes, and you might recall I recently had a 4th one of these. I had the living room. Well, now I've also got the bathroom, the kitchen, and the dining room. So this is called Jolly Twins, was the brand it was sold under. It's Renwall Furniture, says Renwall down here. And I don't know, it must have been a bedroom set too, which I don't have. But I do have the dining room, and I had the living room I showed you the other day, and the kitchen, and we've got the bathroom also. And this is in very nice condition considering the stuff's like 70 years old. The toilet, the little top, the ring was like loose, but it goes back on there. I think it would come off pretty easily. But look at how sweet that is. But the furniture is nice and shiny and very good condition. Let's take a quick look at the kitchen too. Here's the kitchen. Look at the sweet graphics on these walls. And these walls and the floor are cardboard. The furniture, of course, is plastic. This furniture is all in excellent condition, perfect condition. I'm not sure if it originally came with 4 chairs or only 3. There's only 3 in here. I just don't know how it originally came. But the other pieces are like nice and shiny and mint condition. Very, very nice. One more room to show you. Here's the sweet dining room. Again, this furniture is in beautiful, shiny condition. Very nice. There's a couple exceptions. This chair is missing a leg. I may have another chair like that. And the table, the top is warped. And again, there's mixed success with trying to straighten those out. So I don't know if I'll try or not. But beautiful, beautiful graphics. Again, these walls are cardboard and the floor is cardboard. Beautiful, beautiful sets, and I am so glad to have them and so glad to be able to share those with you. Let's open this great big box, and I'm going to tell you why it is I say that I blame my TikTok friends and my YouTube friends for this box even being purchased. Let me get it cut open all the way around, and then I'm going to show you what's in there. It's Dixie's Diner. And it's your guys' fault because I have a Dixie's Diner already and I showed it to you guys recently and everybody said, oh, it's so cute, it's so cute. So I had to go online and see if I could find more of the accessories that came with Dixie's Diner. And instead of just finding accessories, I actually found another Dixie's Diner and bought it, mainly for these cute accessories. Look, there's a red booth chair. There should have been 2 of those chairs, one for each side of the booth, but I'm tickled to have one. A pinball machine, an original Dixie's Diner pinball machine, I think. I think it is anyway. And then some extra people to go in Dixie's Diner. I don't think that's her original clothes. I don't really know. But look at how cute they are. extra people and everything. And as you might recall, I already have the counter and the chairs, that stools that go over here. So I'll put these two pieces together and I'll have a much more complete set. Let's turn this around, because on the one I showed you the other day, I didn't have my stickers on it. Now you can see those cute stickers in place. Really, really cute. Now I cannot keep two of these because I just don't have room. So one of them's going to go up for sale. I will probably keep this one because the other one, the stickers are brand new, and this one they're coming up a little bit. So I'll probably keep this one and sell that other one that's brand new. But I blame this on you guys because you said that was so cute, and it was. And I had to go out and buy more, another one just like it. Thanks a lot, friends. Thanks a lot. That's what friends are for, right? Thank you so much for joining me. I'm always so glad to have you here. Remember, Grandma Jeannie loves you.